Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Today we are tackling one of the most powerful words in English, get. Honestly, this verb is everywhere, in phrasal verbs, idioms, everyday conversations. You can't escape it. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel super confident using get in so many different ways. Ready? Let's jump in. Okay, the first one is get up. This is when you actually leave the bed. Today, I got up at 9 o'clock. Now the next one, get along with someone. For example, I really get along with my co-workers. It means we have a good relationship. Number 3, get over something. Imagine you're sick. You need time to get over it. Or you break up with someone. You also need time to get over it. Next, get through something. Think about exams. You're studying all night, drinking too much coffee, and somehow you get through the test. It means survive or finish something tough. What's the hardest thing you've ever gotten through? Now, sometimes it's hard to get across what you mean in English. Like, I try to explain a joke in another language and nobody laughs. Yep, that's me failing to get across my idea. It just means communicate successfully. Okay, this one's fun. Get away with something. Imagine a kid steals a cookie and mom doesn't notice. The kid gets away with it. Maybe you told your teacher the dog ate your homework and they believed you. Have you ever gotten away with something sneaky? Be honest. Next, get by. When you don't have much, but it's enough to survive. For example, when I moved abroad, I didn't have much money, but I could get by. Now let's look at get into. It means to become interested in something. For example, I got into photography last year. What's something you've recently gotten into? Netflix shows don't count. Or do they? Number 9, get rid of. You remove or throw away something. Like, I really need to get rid of these old shoes. Or if you don't like clutter, you're probably always trying to get rid of stuff. And finally, in this section, get together. It means to mix socially. Like, let's get together this weekend. And of course, when English learners get together, what do? They talk about phrasal verbs, right? Alright, moving into some idioms now. Phrasal, get a life. If someone's always complaining or wasting time, you might say, get a life. Basically, go do something fun, exciting, or meaningful. Next, get the hang of. Think of learning to ride a bike. It's hard at first, but after a few tries, you get the hang of it. Here's a fun one. Get off my case. Imagine your mom keeps reminding you to clean your room. You finally say, get off my case. That just means stop bothering me. Don't try this at home though. You still have to clean your room. Next up, get something off your chest. When you've been keeping a secret or stress inside, and then you finally share it. Sometimes people don't take hints. You ignore their texts, block them on social media. Finally, they get the message. It just means they finally understood. Next, get the picture. Someone explains a situation and you say, oh, I get the picture. Basically, I understand now. Simple and useful. Oh, this one's popular. Get on my nerves. That sound of someone chewing loudly, it gets on my nerves. What gets on your nerves? Leave it in the comments. I bet we'll all relate. Now, if someone is being lazy or disorganized, you can tell them, get your act together. It means be more focused or organized. Harsh, but true. Next, get with it. Everyone's using TikTok and you're still not sure what it is? Come on, get with it. It just means keep up with the trends. And here's a strong one, get lost. If someone's being rude or annoying, you just say, get lost. Basically, go away. Use carefully, this one is not polite. Okay, now some less common but fun ones. First, get a load off your feet. After shopping all day, you sit down and you finally get a load off your feet. Basically, rest. Next, get in someone's face. It means confront someone aggressively. Like the coach got into the player's face after a mistake. Picture the intense shouting moments. Get face means gain respect or status, especially in some cultures. Like you did something impressive at work, you got face. Next, get the nod. That means get approval. Her project finally got the nod from the management. Small phrase, but really useful in professional setting. And the last one, get to someone. If something gets to you, it means it affects you emotionally. For example, negative comments online can really get to you. But hey, don't let them. You're doing great. And that's it. 25 ways to use get like a native speaker. From simple phrasal verbs to idioms to advanced expressions. This tiny word is super powerful. Now it's your turn. Drop me a comment using one of these get expressions. For example, I finally got the hang of cooking pasta. Or, loud chewing really gets on my nerves. I can't wait to read yours. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more fun English tips. Until next time, get practicing.